Hello everyone. Here we have Kai, which is a challenge lock by Freediver72, also known as LockedOut. I did try and pick this open as soon as I opened it out of the packaging, and I did have success after 10 whole minutes. First I tried with this short hook here and had no luck. Moved on to this medium hook, no luck. And then I moved to this spoon profile, and then I did have luck. And I also lightened up the tension just a touch. So let's just make sure those pins are properly reset. Get our wrench in there. Very light tension. Touched one just a little bit, got a little bit of rotation. Touched two a little bit, a little more rotation. Now Freediver is just about at 100 subscribers, and he does make awesome content, so definitely check him out. He's a fantastic picker. He makes challenge locks, he 3D prints cool lock boxes and such. I'll leave a link to his channel. So let's see. Okay, finally got a little more movement, touching something in the back. Let's work our way up to the front again. A little more rotation on the core. Back still feels maybe it's that front one. No. Okay, must be something in the back. Oh, there we go. It's this one. Okay, now we dropped into a deeper false set. So let's see who's left here. It's this front one. There we go. Yep. All right. Let's see if we can get a quick gutting. The key is still in the packaging, so I'm going to leave it unlocked while we do this, and we'll try not to mess up. I also have the shakes because I didn't eat anything, so hopefully I don't butcher this up. All right, pinning tweezers and a shim. Okay, we are shimmed. I don't want this to fall out. Okay. Let's actually adjust this a touch. It's better. See if we can drop these. Ooh. Very nice. Get a quick look at those. nice. All right, let's see if we can get these drivers out. Start in the back. There is a T-pin. Nice serrated. Spring is being stubborn. We'll leave them for now. We have another nicely serrated one. Yeah, that spring is being stubborn. We'll just tuck them back in. Check the front. I should not be gutting locks when I have the shakes like this. But we'll get through. All right. Let's see if we can get these springs out. There we go. Here's one. Here's number two. There's three. There's four. And there we go. So we'll look at that engraving. And we'll do a little close-up here. Very awesome pin work. Look at those nice serrations. Great job there. Fun pick.